Dear friends, today we are going to discuss, does God really help us? Before we go into the subject, I would like to share a story. A kid was playing with a toy car. Unfortunately, the car tire got broke and the kid wanted to fix it. So the kid took the car and gave it to his father and asked the father, "Can you please fix my tire?" The father was trying to fix the tire, but he was not able to do it. So the only way, he has to unscrew the toy car and remove few parts and fix it back, means to fix the tire back. So the father decided to unscrew the car, the major parts, to make sure that the tire will fit it back. But the kid was seeing the father's approach. The kid started crying. "Oh my God, my father, instead of trying to fix the tire, he was unscrew my car, he was trying to spoil my car." So the kid started crying, and the kid was not able to understand what exactly the father was doing. But in reality, father wanted to fix the tire and give the car toy back to the kid. This is what the real scenario. But as a kid, in kids' perspective, this is not the real scenario. The kids think that the father was trying to spoil the car. This is what exactly happens when it comes to our prayer, or when it comes to the trust we have it with divine or God. So whenever we pray, the divine try to help. The divine try to help in a way that we can't perceive it, that we cannot understand it. So instead of we try to wait, or we try to hold on to the prayer with the divine, we started thinking that, oh, the God is, instead of God helping me, something else is going on. So that is what most of the cases we try to blame the God. Oh, this is not happening, I pray, I do. But in reality, when you try to catch hold of the divine with utter devotion, when I say devotion, there is no change in the prayer. Means, when I say devotion, there could be complete tune with your prayer. Pray with complete surrendering. Then there won't be a time to think to, oh, this is not happening for me, this is not happening for me. So keep your prayer with utter trust, and keep your trust on the divine. Whatever happens, divine will always do good for me. Then I'll see the magic will happen. When you do prayer with devotion. Devotion means there is one missing component we are doing nowadays. The missing component is devotion, just like that. Oh God, you please do it for me. I will return with some other monetary benefit. I will return in something. This is like kind of doing business with God. My version of devotion is just trust. The trust itself will give the proper picture, or will give the proper answer for you, and I'm sure you will be answered by divine. Thank you all.